Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, you've not subscribed yet, please do that. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. Definitely would love to watch out for it. Let's take a look at CAD JPY for this week. So, I am doing this analysis on Monday, that is for this week. So, we want to know where this market will be moving for this week. So, one thing I am watching out for on this CAD JPY is still an uptrend move, a bullish move. This week, let's see by Friday, right, we should be able to be trading around a level of 101 or possibly break above that level or it's that same level of 101. Currently, price is trading at 99 on CADJPY. We expect it to drop a bit to tap our 20 period simple moving average. You can see that this red is the 10 period simple moving average, while the green is the 20 period simple moving average. So I'll be expecting CAD to JPY to drop. That would be giving us a bit of 37 pips, let's say 40 pips. After a 40 pips drop, then I expect a rejection from 20 period simple moving average and price will start pushing up. I think we will see that movement as from Tuesday. Much movement. I think it will be more visible. Let's see from Tuesday upward. And if we are going to get much movement on Monday, there's still no problem. We will be going bullish. Now we will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So we can see that this level is a multiple rejection area here. You can see it here. So there's every possibility that price will come here again to reject. So if in case price does not come there, then we expect a rejection at the level where it is currently trading at soon. But let's see if in case it drops about 40 pips, we would get a rejection and price will start going up. Well, so that is what I'll be watching out for. That is what I would love to do. This is exactly what CADJPY will be giving us this week. Now, to those that are interested in taking my high probability trade, I'm going to put a link to my Patreon channel. Just check the comment section. You'll see my Patreon channel. You can actually check it out. What I tend to do is put out high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. I'm also going to put a link to the trade we actually took last week. You see it about February 27 to March of 3rd of March. You can go there and watch it to see all the trade. Also, when you go to the channel, check the playlist, you see a couple of trades we have actually taken in the past. You can see that many of them actually got to our profits, right? We are actually profitable. So if in case you are interested, you're always growing your account and you want to take, kind of increase your account a bit and you want to learn from me, all you just have to do is sign up to my Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section so you get access to some of the exclusive content I will be putting out there.